So hello guys, today is 8th of December and it's 2:15 now. So we have planned a ride yesterday. We will be going to riding to Ganpatipule. It's a sudden plan. We are supposed to ride somewhere, but so yesterday, maybe before 10 hours only, we have finalized that we'll be riding to Ganpatipule. So yeah, my bags are packed. I'll show you. Uh, this is my hydration pack, my gloves. This is the bag I'm taking my clothes and my tank bag. So helmets, yeah, all set. So Gitesh is coming from Mumbai, so waiting for him once he reach here. So then we'll start. So it's 2:44 and yeah, we are set to leave for Ganpatipule. Ganpatipule is one of the best beaches of Maharashtra. So all set to leave. Gitesh, Ankit, Akash. Chalo. It's up.
Crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight.
So we just had our breakfast. Nothing much was available over here, so we had poha, coffee, then anda. So with the road conditions will be like this because it's a state highway, and I heard that from the state highway again we need to take a left. So hope that road would be better. Well, Ganpatipule is around 120 kilometers from here. Time is 9:50 in the morning. So hopefully we will not take any more breaks. So beautiful. अरे यार ये जहाँ पे भी देख रहा हूँ अच्छा ही लग रहा है यार. वैसे मुझे अम्बोली वाली फीलिंग आ रही है यहाँ से. From here, if you take left, you go to Ratnagiri. If you go straight, you will reach Ganpatipule. Ganpatipule, you can go from Ratnagiri also. The road is far better because the road would be alongside the beach. मतलब आपको समुंदर दिखेगा पूरा रोड के समुंदर के बाजू में से रोड निकल जाती है फुल. वो ज़्यादा सीनिक है, थोड़ा ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस ज़्यादा है 4 किलोमीटर. पर अभी हम लोग के पास टाइम नहीं है, तो हम लोग जा रहे हैं यहाँ से. विल बी रिटर्निंग बैक फ्रॉम देयर. हाँ हो गया. मैंने नेविगेशन चालू कर दिया. मैं निकालूँ कि उसमें रुकूँ? चलो. Look at the view. भाई बाहर लग रहा है, बाहर फॉरेन है. यहाँ से व्यू देखो. यहाँ से एक्चुअली लग रहा है पानी क्लीन है. पानी क्लीन है, वही ब्लू वाटर एकदम. So hello guys. So today is Sunday. Anyway, this is Ganpatipule beach. I'll show you. This is very beautiful beach. White sand, but it's not advisable to go into the sea because the depth is not proper, I heard. I'm not sure. that's our resort. We are in MTDC Resort, Ganpatipule. That's a nice resort. I'll show you the resort view. So Hitesh and Harpal sir is coming. So this is the cafeteria of us, full beach facing. The view is worth every penny. You can take a long walk over there. Till there. So this is the resort we stayed, MTDC Resort. बहुत बड़ा है.
क्या एक्विजिशन किया है लैंड का गवर्नमेंट ने?
So well, this is our cottages, this one and that one. So let's have our room tour. This is washroom. मस्त वाला रूम है, फ्रिज है. सब बिखरे पड़े हैं. रूम का क्या ही वीडियो है, देखो ऐसे रूम किसी ने देखा है? आफ्टर पार्टी रूम ढक लिया ना.
I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly.
So here we are. Our bikes are parked, except for my bike. My bike is still in service center. I had a breakdown. देखो सारे बाइक. Sir set. Sir is always smiling. Wow. So this is my GLoves standing here, locked. छोड़ सुन ना, बाइक बॉम्बे लगेगा नहीं.
बात सच्ची बोलो.
हाँ.
ये बंदे से सिर्फ इतना पूछ, बॉम्बे और पुणे के बीच का ट्रांसपोर्ट कॉस्ट डिस्टेंस क्या है? सच्ची बोल रहा हूँ.
इसको छोड़ के जाना पड़ेगा यार राइड में.
सुन ना, ट्रांसपोर्ट ही कर रहा है ना.
हाँ,
लाना है तेरे को बॉम्बे, उसका खर्चा भी तेरे को कम पड़ेगा.
अभी सीन ये है कि देखते इसको ट्रांसपोर्ट कराते हैं, फिर अपडेट करते हैं. क्या बोलते हो भाई?
जो है क्या बोलते हो भाई?
बोल रहा 2 बिल्डिंग बाद एटीएम है।
हाँ
पूछ रहे हैं क्वेश्चन क्या है? 2 बिल्डिंग बाद पूछता है पैदल जा सकता हूँ। पूछता है पैदल जा सकता हूँ।
अभी ले रहे क्या? सर क्या बोलते हो? कुछ बोलो सर।
क्या बहुत बहुत अच्छा टूर हो गया। खाली हमारी अबरा की गाड़ी ने तकलीफ दे दी है।
तकलीफ दे रही है
बस।
बहुत ज़्यादा। ये तो और मज़ा
एडवेंचर हो गया।
एडवेंचर हो गया। बस अभी हम लोग जुगाड़ कर रहे हैं वही ट्रांसपोर्ट का। एक बार ट्रांसपोर्ट का फाइनलाइज हो जाए देन विल स्टार्ट आवर राइड। मे बी आई बी एज अ पील इन ऑन आकाश और गीतेश बाइक्स। लेट्स सी। So it's like 6 in the evening. I am still, actually me and Gitesh are still at Ratnagiri. Was checking out with how to send my bike or how to keep my bike properly. So finally we got something, got the help of someone. Went to keep my bike and Bajaj. So is at Bajaj, Ashwini Bajaj showroom. Thanks to them. And so I kept given my key and some the transportation cost to this guy, Jagdamba Travels. He's a nice guy. So one of my friend, not a friend, a contact will be taking care of my bike. Will be sending my bike day after tomorrow because tomorrow is a holiday over here. So day after tomorrow they will be sending my bike. Basically we'll start now. It's 6. We'll be starting within another 15 minutes, and hopefully we'll be reaching Pune by 2-3 in the midnight. The funniest thing is that Gitesh have to attend his office tomorrow morning, and he'll be going directly over there. So he bought a pants, trousers for him because he was in on his riding gears. So we just bought a trouser for Gitesh, only $160 for one day use. So hopefully all will get sorted, and hopefully we'll ride safe. We'll keep updated.